last week Friday we made an entry on gold against the dollar, guys. So this was the screenshot before, basically January 26th, and today is 29 on Monday. That is when I'm recording this video. You can see over here 29, and Friday of course 26. So I can't forget that. So the market is the market. So let me just take you through this trade. Let me take you through this trade and how it played out until the end. Right, so I'll first thing I'll hit my replay just like this. So Friday I came to the market and I opened my laptop and I saw, okay, we had this type of a downtrend right here that gold was kind of giving us. So if we cater for that, then I say, okay, that's looking nice. So probably if I add another one that is a clone, this is what I did something like this. Okay, so this is the 4-hour, guys, and as usual I went to the H1 and tried to see if I can get a good entry position. Now see, basically before making my entry, guys, it was a trade that I probably like 2 days I've been waiting for this trade to play out. So initially we had this type of a play also because I was looking for sell entry, but at the same time price was still in an uptrend. So I had this type of a trend line like this. So as usual I do wait for great confirmation. So I waited for the market to do its thing, and then I identified, okay, there was this level right here that price was kind of playing around, and I say, okay, that's a good zone for me to watch out. And also it gave me a confidence that we needed to go down. So my sell position or my sell bias thing was still valid. So gold did its thing. This was Tuesday, of course. So all this while, let me just take it back to the H1. All this while I'm just waiting for gold to do its thing, Then I said, okay, there's also another level that now gold try to respect, this zone right here. Then I say, okay, that one is looking nice. So let's just continue to monitor this trade. So right now I was looking for a reversal structure so that I can maybe get in, that is take my sell position and see how the market plays out. So the market did this. Oh, come on. So on Wednesday, yeah, this is what the market did. It dropped. Now I said, okay, all this is just an impulse. Okay, all this is an impulse. And I said, okay, now that price has taken out this support right here, price took out this support, and I said, okay, now let me wait for a retest and guess what, wait for probably a double top and execute. That's my strategy. So let's go. So gold did this thing, gold did this thing, gold did this thing. That is Thursday. Gold did this thing. I'm still waiting. It went up. Still on Thursday, guys. Patience. Patience and patience and patience. Okay, remember I took this entry on Friday. Yes sir. So gold, I believe, went up, and I was waiting for reversal structure. So right now I went to the 15. Now looking for a double top. Gold, they did this, went up, did this. Okay, all right, continue doing his thing, continuing doing his thing. Then I said, okay, probably there's another type of a trend that I'm seeing that this market's giving me. Okay, something like this, you never know, anything works. So let's go back. You see, this is the type of trend that I'm talking about. Yeah, this is right here. This is it. I'm just taking you along and how I do execute my entries, waiting on my position. So you see, they kind of make sense. Yeah, so gold did that, then the markets continue doing its thing. Oh, just a minute. Then now wait to the 15. Remember I told you guys that now I'm waiting for a reversal structure, something like a double top. And yes, I saw a double top. You can see that. So my strategy said, okay, identify a level, support and a resistance, and if it breaks with an hour candle, come on, that's one. If it breaks with an hour candle, that is when I execute my entry position. Right, my entry position. And now that was the time for me to make my entry as usual. And of course, my stop loss, of course, was to be here. But then I said, okay, gold is crazy. Let me just give it a room to breathe, something like 58 pips if I get it right. So let me just confirm. My entry was around 2020-780. 2020-780. 2020-780. Where are you? 2020-780. Something like that, just because of spread. And my stop loss basically was 2026-375. 2026-375. 2020, what was that? 2026-375. 375. So you see, I was not wrong. So that's it. So immediately I did this, I called out this signal. Then of course we were targeting all the way down in respect to this downtrend, of course. But remember, our first take profit should be this level right here. Okay, so let me just open my Telegram and show you. So this is it. You can confirm once again. Yeah, this is the screenshot I did send to my VIP, and I gave them a check. That's right. So I told them, yo, I'm in. But then careful on gold. Dollar has news today. And I was like, yo, anytime I have a good setup, that is when the dollar has news, or that is when the news is incoming. So now I was like, what's happening? So we made our entry position, and let me just take you how this market played out, or how price played out. Basically, the market gave us like 30 pips. Okay, because I was swinging, so I kept on holding. You say, oh, we were in blue. Market started doing its thing. I was like, what's happening? So the news was, and I said, yo, if news finds us in this trade, that is, if we're still in a drawdown, then this is going to be messy, So I just held onto my position. Let me just show you the conversation. I told, yo, what are these? And I said, yo, I'll hold my position till stop loss. Okay, if news finds us in this drawdown, then we're dead. That is what I was telling my gang. And you see, yes, of course, I took that entry. Just confirm 2026.37, like I said before. That's the stop loss. You can confirm my entry was 2020.78, of course, depending on the broker, and take profit 1980.78. So this is the drawdown. You see, $100. I was down $100. Then here came the news. And I was like, yo, let's see. Price before news is, oh, then that's it. You can see right here there was that news. So if you check the trading view, you can see there's something like a US flag, something like this. So that is when news dropped immediately. So I was like, yo, what the hell? So if you watch my previous video, guys, I kept on saying, yo, with my strategy, you can at least, that is, if you're a scalper, you can at least get something out of this market before it stops you. So price gave us something like 24 pips before going against us, you see. But that's because of news, And let's see. Let's just continue. So you can see I was stopped out right here, being transparent. I was down $130 Friday, and that's what's up. So, and then guess what? It just hit on our exact stop loss, then started moving down. Then I said, yo, she's a witch. So let's see. Price did this thing. Then okay. Then I was like, what the hell? Basically, it was on Friday. Then the market, had to close. So that is like 40 pips after taking us out. She's a witch. So how much was that? Price went to my direction, something like almost 50 pips after taking me out. She's a witch. See? I believe now. Let me see. Oh, that was still on Friday. then the market, yeah, the market opened today, I believe so. And I see that gold is trying to, let me just take it back to the H1, still trying to maybe go back to retest this level. Let's just continue understanding this market. Yeah, you see, and that's the current price. Like I say, it's trying to respect this trend line of mine, and yes, that's the case. So that's the market, guys. Nothing is guaranteed, so I'll just remove these drawings. Nothing is guaranteed. So basically, let me just tell you something. Let me just tell you something. Also, I realized the reason why I was stopped out. Let me just show you something. You know, guys, you need to learn. Anytime the market stops you out, you need to learn. You need to learn. Okay, you need to learn. Let me just do this. Of course, my conference was right, but there's something that I missed. Okay, there's something that I missed. Let me just show you what I missed. That is, there's something on my strategy that I have, you know, forgot to put in place. So if we see, kind of the market was moving sideways. This was a sideways move. So yes, I made an entry, but that was like a risk entry. Initially, I was supposed to wait for the market to break out of that consolidation zone. You see, I was supposed to wait for that. So let's see. And if I had a trend like this, you know, let me just see. Let's see. I was supposed to wait for a good, you know, confirmations, because it's like the market was still in an uptrend. The market was still in an uptrend, had not yet taken this low or support zone. So yeah, we accept, that is, I accept that punishment. You know, that's it. So we let the market do its thing. We let the market do its thing, baby. That's the market. We can't control anything. But either way, it was my strategy. So if things played out nicely, guys, I could have bagged in a good amount of pips, because that was a very good entry point. You know, it's the market. It's the market. You know, the reason why I never waited for price to take out this low is, this is gold. This is not like my other trades or currency pairs that I do wait for break, because you know, gold might not give you an opportunity. One candlestick, you know, might close above or below your anticipated support or level, and then maybe you miss out. So if you take out or if you make an entry based on your breakout strategy, I'm going to risk a lot of pips. So that's why I decided to try taking in that early entry position. So you see, it kind of makes sense right now. So for a good entry, guys, on gold, that is, if price is still showing me signs that it wants to go down, I'll need something like this, you know, based on my currency type of trading strategy thing. Okay, so let me just remove this. Let me remove this, anything. Guys, anytime you take a loss, go back to the market and analyze. Either way, if I hit take profit, that's almost 300 pips. I risk 50 pips to make 300, which is not bad, you see. So this is the kind of play that gold might give me, another something like this, and maybe go up. And now if it breaks this low according to my currency strategy, because this might be the left shoulder, maybe the head comes back, give me the right shoulder. Now if it breaks, then now I believe that might be a safest way to make my entry on gold. But if I don't see such type of play, then I won't make any entry decision. You know, this is gold, baby. Okay, so and let me just show you something, guys. I'm happy to show you guys that today's video basically was sponsored by Funded Engineer, one of the best firm, you know, rising firms in the market, current market. So I'll maybe go over this firm and show you how beautiful it is. So I'll be leaving link in the description too for you to check out. Maybe if you use my link, you might get some like 10% off. So first thing, there's a one phase challenge, that is a turbo. So one phase challenge, your profit target should be 10%, no time limit, and of course maximum drawdown should be 4%. That is the daily. Then now maximum drawdown overall should be 6%, no minimum trading day. and also a leverage of 1 to 100. Yes, you can hold your trades over the weekend. And also, if you purchase a superior two-phase challenge, that is, you'll have no time limit. Maximum daily loss is 5% as usual, and a maximum drawdown loss which is 10%. No minimum trading day, leverage is 1 to 100, and you can hold your trades over the weekend. Guys, I do recommend this superior two-phase challenge, guys. And also there's also standard challenge phase, guys. Whichever, guys, you can also purchase a standard account, which is of course no time limit as usual, 5% daily loss and 10% drawdown, leverage. But on this, the leverage is 1 to 3. That is if you purchase a standard account. That's why I was saying, I do prefer this superior because of that trading leverage thing. Okay. And also there's a superior light, maximum loss 4%, you can hold over the weekend. And yes, 8%, that's the drawdown, 8% maximum, no minimum trading days, and the leverage of 1 to 100. Guys, like I say, I prefer this superior because it gives you room to play, guys. The market has not been easy. The market has not been easy from something like December. Now we are still in January, almost coming to an end, but the market is not good. So let's say you purchased a 6. Let's go to that superior, something like this, superior. So on superior, $6 account, of course. Just a minute, right here. On a 6K, we have a profit target, like I said, 10. Phase 1, phase 2, you'll be targeting 5, and then these are the thing. Okay, so 6K is $59, refundable free fee. That is if you pass the challenge, basically you'll get back your one-time fee, the 59 thing. But if you use my link that I'll be leaving in the description, you also will be getting 10% off this. So it's not a bad platform, basically. And just to show you guys, this is it. I have this. I took a challenge too, so you can see I took a 25K challenge, guys. Now let's see how it plays out. The user interface is basically friendly, guys, so I believe it won't be difficult to maneuver around this platform. So link in the description, guys. So adios, mi amigos, peace.